All right. So the recording has started. Probably maybe to go over what we currently have on the channel.
So again, this is our meeting to develop customer support,
Yeah,
CNMCyber customer support,
correct.
and we had two meetings before.
Mm-hmm.
Did you post a recording
Yes,
on
yes.
the YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm.
So and this is the third, to my understanding.
Yes, this is that's
Um, so what we kind of right now we have some list of customer support work products.
correct.
Um, well, we miss like one at least, which
Mm-hmm.
we discussed right now. To advertise this role, it should be also video for
Mm-hmm.
for the kind of the support person.
Oh.
When we will invite people to work,
Mm-hmm.
we want to record some video, um, support some video. So I will put like a
A welcome video.
customer,
No, not a welcome video. Like.
some customer support
Mm-hmm.
um, representative.
Mm-hmm.
Um, how to say service shadow invitation.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so it makes right now like 12 products, but I'm sure that this is not all.
Mm-hmm.
We may miss something.
Okay.
You asked me about guest room. I have no like big ideas,
Mm-hmm.
unless it should be 24 hours.
Yes.
It should be people need to know that they may leave any comments or questions.
Mm-hmm.
And they need to know that this question, so this room is monitored
Mm-hmm.
only once a week
Yes.
before the common hour meeting.
Mm-hmm.
And if they want to have the answers should be posted somewhere, right?
Yeah.
It should be frequently asked questions page, by the way.
Good
So
point.
when I add customer support resources,
Mm-hmm.
I will put also upload that next, and um, I will put like including
Mm-hmm.
frequently asked questions
Yeah.
pages.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So yeah, it should be kind of something like you are welcome to review right
Mm-hmm.
now,
Mm-hmm.
or if it doesn't address, so in a week you can expect some like response there.
Okay.
And if you want kind of to contact directly to them
Mm-hmm.
by the mail,
Yeah.
so kind of like send a mail, right?
Yes.
And if you want to attend common hour and ask this question in person,
Mm-hmm.
attend common hour and ask this question in person.
Okay. So then,
Otherwise,
mhm,
I don't have any specifics,
yeah.
any specific ideas.
So you mentioned like three parts of getting answers. You can access the frequently asked questions. You can send a mail or
Yeah,
join the live session, or leave your questions and join the live session to get answers. Right.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
I
just
think so. I don't know. I
good.
would say what I'm saying is just like good for the beginning.
Correct.
I honestly I don't know what will kind of what it will come
That,
at the
that's
end.
that's what you
So
want.
right now we
Hmm.
yeah I but we definitely need to build like really good customer support.
Correct.
If we have it,
Hmm.
then it will be kind of it will create some feeling of like some structure.
Yeah.
Since we have no structure,
Hmm.
at least it will say, okay, we accommodate kind of your journey.
Hmm. Yes. Based on what we are currently discussing, we have an SOP for the flow, like how you should start, and it outlines first, second, third, fourth, fifth step of how to start uh, the common hour session, common hour room. I want to understand how we may capture the requirements that we are collecting right now. The SOP that we are collecting right now, should it be part of big the big the step by step SOPs for action items, what to do when all this we can do like a separate SOP for each work product.
I don't know. I have no preference,
Hmm.
but like whatever you decide, I
Okay.
have no preference.
Okay.
But I would say, but it should be like if we talk about the contract,
Hmm.
in the contract it should be said like we are hiring you
Hmm.
doing this, right?
Yes.
And kind of this is explained somewhere there. So at
Hmm.
least like some main page,
Hmm.
some kind of like I would say some main page
Yeah.
must be kind of it's like must be one page. In the contract we cannot say, oh you need to do this and then you do this, do this, do this. No,
Hmm.
just like one page.
Hmm.
How many kind of links will be from this page? I understand you're right. If we write everything in the same place,
Hmm.
maybe it will be like too
To be
complex,
correct.
too long, too complex,
Yeah.
too difficult to use.
Hmm.
It makes sense to make kind of like several pages.
Okay.
Where you will create these pages, I don't know. It could be um,
Hmm.
the space,
Hmm.
or it can be something else. I have no idea.
Okay.
It's a good idea where this SOP generally will be published,
Hmm.
like the final version, not like a product kind of in development, but
Development.
approved version.
Okay.
Yeah, development it's on the space, but
Yes.
where kind of will be the official
Official.
part.
Yeah. Probably the Kenya X website could be a good place to store this information.
Kinect's website, yeah, I would say so. Yeah, it's a good place. I
Hmm.
I would agree. Kind of
Hmm.
when we have like kind of some approved version,
Yeah.
like validated,
Hmm.
just put it there,
Hmm.
and in this case, it will be in the same place. Yeah, makes sense.
Okay.
Makes sense to me.
All right. Yes, I see Rahim has joined us. Yeah. So,
Yeah,
yeah, I'd send you an invitation with the details of what we are going to discuss today. And we just started actually. You're right on time. So we are discussing the common hour room. We mentioned that it should be 24 hours, 24 hours, 7 days a week. Members or visitors should have should get a communication that they can leave the message there or access the FAQ page or send an email. And to get answers for questions they have left on the comment section, they need to attend the actual event, the live event. So this is as far as we've gone in discussing this particular
So,
work product. In case maybe you have something different or something to add on top of what we've mentioned, since you've
so
done this.
yeah, I just want to make sure, right? So we're on the same page.
Correct.
The person who is not registered, right? The
Mm-hmm.
person who is not registered
Yeah.
should be able to enter this room,
Mm-hmm.
leave the comment,
Yeah.
and kind of expect to get some reply somewhere on frequently asked questions page, right?
Correct.
Someone who is not registered should be able to email or attend common hour in person, right?
Yes.
Um, this is for non-registered, unregistered. For registered people, they can ask questions within like welcome space, in addition to everything what unregistered can do, right?
Mm-hmm.
What else? Pretty much that's it, right?
That's it.
Welcome space,
Yeah.
right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. So, Rahim, are we on the same page, or do we? Yeah. Are we
We
on
are
the?
on the same page.
Okay.
Yes, we are on
Who-
the same page. I believe communicating and giving people clear direction is the only way we can go to make sure that they don't get things mixed up. Yes.
All right. Yeah, we've
We,
also.
we also before you join, we also discussed that like it makes sense in order to recruit new people. It makes sense to create a separate video
Correct.
for
Okay.
this role. So
Mm-hmm.
let's say something like as CNMCyber customer service representative.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You like you are expected to do this, and that,
Yeah.
and kind of
Mm-hmm.
and like this and that. So when we have all the lists, right,
Mm-hmm.
we need to have some promotional, not long, not kind of maybe some
Awesome.
promotional, like short video for someone
Yes.
who wants to be kind of this customer support representative, customer service representative. Yesterday,
Correct.
by the way, we decided customer service representative with
Mm-hmm.
the Kevin. I don't remember you were there or not. So, and we planned right now. We don't plan too much, so we plan to give, let's say, you like a week work on this to do whatever you can do, and then we plan to start advertising, right? To put some advertising somewhere if we are ready.
Yeah.
Um, and try to bring someone on the board, like more people.
Correct.
Yes, correct.
Yes, that's correct. So,
What is Rahim? I cut you off. Oh no,
Rahim, were you saying something?
maybe I misunderstood.
Yeah. So,
Okay, what else?
yeah, I believe as far as the common hour room goes, we've captured all we need to have in this room. All that
Are
needs
you
to be done.
sure?
as
Are
as
you
of
sure?
as of
Are you
now,
sure?
as of
Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure?
I'd
Are you
say
sure?
as of now.
I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay, let's do this. If you give kind of a good suggestion, what we are missing right now,
Hmm.
like
For the common hour
let's put
room.
like $25 bonus. Yeah, for not common our room for all
Hmm.
the list of the products, like
Ah,
$25 bonus immediately.
like a product that we're missing in this list.
Yeah, product that we are missing in this list. Yes, Rahim left, so it's kind of it would be not fair.
Mm.
It's
Okay.
not kind of he may join, and the best offer will get kind of $25.
Okay.
So okay, like let's get back.
Mm-hmm.
Common room, I don't have too much to say.
Sure.
Kind of guest room.
Yeah.
Is it the name good? Guest room is a good name or no?
No, no. Maybe we need to figure out
No.
other names.
Okay, let's ask
Mm-hmm.
Perplexity what it will suggest.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, continue while I'm typing.
Okay. So, guest room and I believe the common hour and the guest room are the same thing. Common hour platform team for CNMCyber guest room. Yes, Rahim.
Rahim would like to speak.
You,
Thank you so much. Now,
okay. Mm-hmm.
I hope you can hear me.
Yes, yes, we can.
Yeah.
Yeah, my network actually had, I have a network problem. Gary, I know you did not know I traveled back to my rural home. So there is a
Mm.
challenge with the network, but yeah,
Where is your
and
home?
it's Homa Bay County. Yes. Now, you were talking about me creating a video to um, to try drive traffic to the common hour, like common hour support or something. I did not hear that well.
No. We need like basically we are discussing two different videos. One
Okay.
video is welcome to CNMCyber.com, which will be
Hmm.
a part of welcome space, right? People
Yeah.
who will
Yes.
be joining welcome space should have this video like kind of to see this video, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You created kind of Common X, KNX, which is,
Yes.
in my view, you are talking about CNM Cyber more. So it was not like real welcome to KNX more than
Yeah.
welcome to CNM Cyber. But
Okay.
like the priorities, I would say questionable. You started with, oh, it's the only place where you can be incognito, don't need your name. It's not the main point. The main
Okay.
point why people like why we keep this room. So like the not room, the space, CNM
Space.
Cyber. So this is yeah. So CNM Cyber is the place kind of to communicate, kind of to resolve the issues, blah 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 blah, something like that.
Okay.
Um, but we right now we discuss like another video. Like we will need to recruit people. We plan to start advertising, most likely on Fuzu or somewhere else. And we
Correct.
will put this advertising. We'll look for customer support representative, kind of customer service representative for
Yes.
KNX, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
KNX is looking for customer support representative. And it makes sense to create some video specifically for this role, like for
Okay.
this role, for someone who wants to start, like wants to consider. Like in one of our meetings, let's say Ashley said, or someone, Ashley probably, said, oh Grace, oh, can I learn more? When we said, oh, we have this common room, oh, can I learn more?
Yeah.
Some short video inviting people, oh, customer support representative. It could be you, customer service representative. It can be you.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Like your goal will be just to support people who want to join or already joined the program.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
for this role, communication is very key. That is why, you may reply for emails with the
Mm-hmm.
questions,
Mm.
but also
Yeah.
you will like keep this like room available for questions,
Okay.
um, and accommodate like meetings.
Mm.
Um, there will be two different meetings, one for development, for the development of
Mm-hmm.
customer support, and one for the customers, like one for the customers and one for development. maybe something like that, and just explaining. And if you want to see how it happens, I conduct this. If it like you will be recording this video, I conduct it right now. You can go and kind of watch the video or like see me. You can right now join this room on your own.
Yeah.
It's available there, something like that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm,
What?
Yes.
that sounds interesting.
Oh, that I can.
So, like, we because we need to advertise. We need basically kind of what we need. We need people who kind of are willing to be these customer support representative, customer service representative,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
and we will advertise it. We need to create a video,
Yeah.
and then
Okay.
in this video also you can say, just to get started, go there, right? Or kind of, or like
Yes.
click there or go there.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Mm-hmm.
and for people who want to join, we want them to register probably on the welcome space to get to the welcome space, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And
Yes.
then from the welcome space, we will have these development meetings, right?
Yes.
Because the
Yes.
development meetings will be posted on the welcome space. No, on the kitchen. I don't
In the
know.
kitchen. Yes.
You need to create a better flow, workflow, like where people will go. Maybe kitchen, yes, in the kitchen. In the kitchen will be okay. This is our like hackathon, meetup.
Yes.
We will not call them hackathon, but it will be like
Yes.
meetups. But meetups will be technically hackathons.
Yeah.
We will say, we'll show people, okay, here is today. Today's hackathon is about like this guest room, right?
Mm-hmm.
Guest room or guest something, and who will give kind of a better idea, the best idea how it can be improved, like $50, $25, whatever. We will put like a bonus. And also, if you want to, if you give a good suggestion, you will also be eligible to like to apply or kind of be more competitive when you apply to do this job. If you want to be kind of this customer support service representative, like go there. We need to create this workflow better, but yeah, something like that. So the video will be helpful. A video specifically for customer service representative role.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Does it
Yes.
make sense?
Oh. It
Yes.
does make sense, and I believe it actually. It will really, really be a game changer.
All right.
Hmm.
Yeah. So we've covered common hour in the guest room. The next work product that we'll be developing requirements for or SOP for is the welcome space. And I think like this is
Hmm.
it's a big project. I'd like us to start it off on a new to have its own separate meeting since time is much
Hmm.
spent today.
But let's go. You want kind of to create this like long series of long. I
Hmm.
want Rahim or someone, if Rahim is available,
Hmm.
to pick anything what he wants to work on,
Yeah.
do this, and can we start just like advertising if we have the room, right?
Hmm.
If we have, when we will start advertising, I will say possibly, because we can develop it like, the more people we have, the faster development will be.
Okay.
So I want to create something like really right now,
Hmm.
really minimal for the person who to get started.
Hmm.
And then again, the more people will have, the better, the faster we will go.
Will develop. Yes.
Yeah, I don't want to keep kind of like couple of months just discuss like one thing after another thing.
Hmm.
because it can be like a yearly project. I will say the final SOP will be ready a year from now. It's my
Mm-hmm.
prediction.
Yeah,
But we cannot wait for a year. Let's
correct.
start something.
Mm-hmm. What do you suggest we start with? Advertising and having people join these development meetings, and from the development meetings they can choose the work product, the SOP for the particular work product they want to work on. Is that your idea?
We need to decide. I don't know. I need like Rahim's input too. Like
Mm-hmm.
what he thinks. Like it is difficult for me to, but we are definitely missing something. Even the whole list is not full. Rahim, again, once again, I like if you have a good ideas how to modify this list to add new products or delete this like kind of or prioritize or kind of some put like something like more products, let me know. And a good idea, really good idea.
Mm-hmm.
And I can write this idea on the paper and show it to you if you say, if you give up. I
Uh-huh.
have a good idea, like in my view, which way, what were I missing?
Mm-hmm.
And $25 is just like bonus for someone who, by the way, you didn't refresh. It should be 12. Kevin, you should refresh this
Oh,
page. It should be 12
okay. Yeah.
because I added this video, right?
Yes.
Yes, now 12.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Like the goal of this, like particular. So the goal is our meetings, as we discussed yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
to do something for a week or two,
Yeah.
something as easy as possible, as quick as possible,
Mm-hmm.
to create kind of to put like a contract based on this like
Mm-hmm.
minimal stuff, like contract for the minimal stuff. Start bringing more people,
Yeah.
and then we will be developing, updating the contract and kind of updating the SOP and updating everything.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But there are some things maybe prioritize what we need to have.
Mm-hmm.
Some things which we just have to have. Common hour we have to have, I guess.
Yeah.
Guest room, it's a good idea. It's a good idea. It's good kind of additional channel. It's a good to have
Correct.
or must have.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome space we must have. This is the main kind of thing where people registered, right?
Yeah.
It is the main kind of advantage.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome video, probably also we need to have something. We may not have sophisticated, but at least something.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know about customer support resources, which will include kind of this SOP, right?
Yeah.
Oh no.
It includes this SOP.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Email request management. We need it probably, or we
Yeah.
not. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Can we like make it with no email
Mm-hmm.
without kind of email responses? I don't know. You do you like this idea? You didn't mention, you didn't follow. In my view, it's pretty easy to create a system when people like say, I want to register, like, and we'll say, okay, you want to us to create your credentials and send to your email, or you
Mm-hmm.
want to put it on your own without email. So we can possibly generate it automatically and
Okay.
send to email.
Uh-huh.
And this will resolve the issue with the registration.
Mm. That's also like A very good idea. So I'll, an individual like a participant or a visitor will just need to input their email or send us an email request
Yeah,
to be registered.
yeah, yeah, and we will create kind of there.
It will be
I
automated.
don't see. I see it's like really easy project. It's kind of like I
Hmm.
see it's a really easy project. Maybe kind of it's $100 project for
Hmm.
someone who knows like who's familiar with the UE in which applet was kind of created.
Hmm.
It's easy project. Easy project.
Okay.
I could possibly write it, program it on my own, but
Hmm.
it's like I'm too tired right now. It's really, I don't see any problems. I see no problems at all. It's like, it's a really easy.
Hmm. But I think that will be cool if we can
It
do
will be more complicated to decide what to write on the website, how to explain,
it.
where
Hmm.
to put. This will take more time.
Yeah.
But to code by itself,
Hmm.
it's really easy coding.
Okay.
And we possibly right now we don't have forget my password or something.
Yeah. Yeah. Because it will be.
Possibly we don't have this function,
Yeah.
but we need to have it.
Okay.
So what else? Kitchen, we need to have it.
Hmm.
Develop meetups like this one, we need to have them.
Yeah.
How frequently, it's another question, but at least like once a week, it's so fine. It's fine.
Hmm.
And form in which the results of work shall be transferred from customer support representative to the community board. So we need to have something like to get started, like minimally started, at least like some, maybe not complicated, like kind of some prototype. Put some prototypes.
Hmm. Okay. What if we prioritize the work products that we need that are mandatory to have to get started, and we'll have some very simple SOP to follow. And once we have these people, we can further develop the SOPs. They can further develop the SOPs.
I like this idea. We need to have some minimally viable product, MVP,
Correct.
like minimally viable.
Hmm.
The reason why I stopped like our development because it was not viable.
Hmm.
It was like short-lived one time. It was not like not sustainable.
Hmm.
But if we have this like minimally viable like product,
Yeah.
which will include also this like customer support,
Hmm.
customer service representative, like new people, like
Hmm.
some onboarding,
Yeah.
I'm fine.
Okay. So I think the next task that we can do right now, probably determine the work products that we need to have minimal SOPs for to get started. And we will work on those minimal
Makes,
SOPs and invite people
makes,
to work on them further.
yeah. And as of now, I would love, to concentrate only on this, nothing else.
Hmm.
Nothing else matters.
Yeah.
Whatever is in this list, this is the priority. And what if we prioritize, if we
Hmm.
put like this is must have right now,
Yes.
like kind of stage one,
Hmm.
like must have. So then is there. I also I wanted to say that it's not necessarily that we will prioritize one product or another product.
Hmm.
We may prioritize what these products will have. So let's say you started talking about this guest room. In my view, guest room is good enough as of
Yeah.
now, right or
Yeah.
not?
Yeah. It's good enough.
So it makes no sense to kind of to discuss it further.
Correct.
Like it is what we are looking for. What is
Mm-hmm.
good enough?
Mm-hmm.
Bam,
Yeah.
bam, bam. So welcome space is not good enough because at least it doesn't have the video, and it doesn't have. If someone will get there, it's unclear what the person is supposed to do.
Yeah.
It's no any kind of invite, no instruction,
Mm-hmm.
like kind of no even explanation what this space for.
Yeah.
So people get to this welcome space. Let's go. Let's right now. I'm trying to get to this welcome space right now. I put like welcome.
Mm-hmm.
It is what I was talking, by the way. I have welcome YouTube, welcome video, welcome space, welcome page text. I have 3 right now. It's already confusing.
Mm-hmm.
And you said no, it's not. If you type welcome, I have several. So what I need to go? Welcome, just welcome, welcome space, welcome page text, welcome.
Where did you type welcome?
Go to like there on the left, upper left. It's kind
Oh.
of where
Uh-huh.
the
Oh,
kind
okay.
of the
Not
spaces.
the spaces.
Yeah, you type welcome.
Mm.
Phoenix welcome proposal. No, you went to kind of some search page. I went just like 2 spaces
Okay.
on the no, like wait a second. On the like the most left on the top.
Mm-hmm.
Left on the top menu. In the top
Yes.
menu before people dashboard on the left. My spaces, my
My
spaces.
spaces.
Oh, you have fewer spaces than me. Yeah, type here. Welcome.
My spaces. Okay.
My spaces. Yeah, welcome.
Mm-hmm.
You see,
Yeah.
it's very confusing. It's already confusing.
Mm-hmm.
And we had this discussion. I said, can you take kind of look at these spaces? So
Mm-hmm.
let's say like welcome space, welcome page. Is there anything good there? Move it to our like kitchen space. If nothing good there, just delete.
Mm-hmm.
YouTube will welcome video. We
Yeah.
don't have a separate like groups for this.
Correct.
Can you clean this kind of part?
Yeah.
Even state of voicesnack.com should be also renamed. But anyway, like not 3 welcomes. So right now I go to welcome and I let's say welcome space.
Mm-hmm.
KNX. What is KNX? Why is KNX here? Preparing students for jobs. Like this picture, like on the whole, it's kind of so confusing. This
Yeah.
big picture, like on the like in the main, I expected someone with a mobile phone. Why this picture is here?
Mm-hmm.
You have like one picture on the top. It's kind of enough.
Yeah.
Like video, probably it will make sense here.
Correct.
But video could be on the bar.
On the button.
Congratulations. Maybe on the right bar. You will learn. I don't know. It doesn't look well. Um, I don't understand KNX. Why KNX is here?
Mm-hmm.
Welcome. We're welcoming people to CNMCyber, not to KNX. CNMCyber serving KNX. KNX is kind of it's there for jobs for like for something else, but CNMCyber is just people who are under not their names. It's completely different concept, KNX in CNMCyber. Why KNX? I don't know.
Can we like
Now you have a new unique
mhm.
student name to protect completely.
Can we like schedule a session to develop the requirements for this space?
But kind of, I I don't know. We may,
Hmm.
but I will be kind of the main speaker again. You need to say this.
Yeah.
Someone needs to say why KNX? Why KNX? You're welcome. You're welcome to where? It's a welcome into CNMCyber. Why KNX?
Hmm.
Someone may join not like through KNX if we follow this idea which was suggested. I forgot to whom to create this like two entry points KNX and YSNX in parallel, right?
Hmm.
Someone will sign for YSNX and then we are putting like this KNX.
Thanks. Yeah.
What we need to say for CNMCyber? CNMCyber is our place kind of where it's community like community based network and you can join the different communities, right?
Yeah.
And we're serving KNX and other projects. It's something with this big picture. It's not kind of doesn't cool. It doesn't look like kind of solid, but maybe it's good enough. I don't know.
I
But no
agree.
one writes
This
here,
is,
right?
I agree with you. It's confusing when you say welcome to CNM Cyber and the
This is again.
space is Kenya X.
This should be like a really look kind of really and probably Rahim was confused too. That is why he created this
Mm-hmm.
welcome to KNX video
Yeah.
meaning welcome to CNM Cyber.
Yeah.
Uh, and and it should be something I don't know, kind of like some redesign. Like when the first person come here,
Mm-hmm.
probably this person needs to see like kind of short video, like it is our kind of our space, and the goal of this space is for someone to ask questions. Let's say, how can I start working? Right?
Mm-hmm.
This question should be here.
Okay.
How can I start working? I'm interested in the program. I'm interested. You mentioned like the first job, kind of okay. Teach me, show me,
Mm-hmm.
direct me. So, and also, I don't see mentioning of common hour from the welcome, right? The
Correct.
common hour should be mentioned. It should
Mm-hmm.
be kind of scheduled here. I don't know who, what conduct what. Like Rahim said, today was supposed to be like a kind of a meeting, but where the kind of the people will know. Someone who joins like welcome space, how this person will know that common hour meeting has a place.
Mm-hmm.
Makes no sense. Makes no sense.
Yeah. You're sharing like important information that we need to capture and have them as the requirements for this space.
But Rahim can do it. Rahim did it for Kenny X. Rahim
Yeah.
can do it better than me. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know why kind of why is he silent.
Rahim, are you still with
Um,
us?
um, I'm,
We need again, like let's concentrate how to kind of bring people on board, nothing
yes,
else.
Yeah.
How bring people on board. And
okay,
customer support is helping people, asking their questions, showing them the materials, kind of like there.
Mm-hmm.
Let's give them minimal information. If this information is good enough, they start acting. If they need more information, send them to more information, right?
Mm-hmm.
And
yes,
Okay.
if if this kind of welcome space is good enough, but we need to welcome space.
Yeah.
Like I'm fine with this because welcome space we need. I would say what is more important out of it.
Mm-hmm.
Can we skip something as of now? We may try
Mm. Skip something like what?
something like, let's say, email request management,
Yes. Yes.
because
Yes.
email is kind of confusing part. Who will reply to this email? How it will get there? How
Yeah.
often they will reply? How
Mm-hmm.
the probably replies will be? Email normally it's like consuming job. Maybe we can somehow automate or
Mm-hmm.
skip it as of now,
Mm-hmm.
and to move to somewhere else. Maybe I don't know. What
Mm-hmm.
else? We need meetups. We need kitchen.
Yeah. Yes, Rahim.
yes. I do have something to say about what Gary just shared. I'm thinking because the common hour room is 24/7 open for people, and since the event organizer will be there monitoring the room from time to time, I think it will be best that when he monitors regularly to respond to those people as quickly as possible through mail without excusing it or any other form that you can agree on. But it's best if the event organizer still is the same person that is responsible to these questions. So instead of people sending email, they can just go to the room and send their questions there, and the person responsible will respond to them there. That is even quicker than wait till they send email.
But you see, the problem with the room is that as of now, right?
Yeah.
I'm
Yes.
writing something.
Okay.
So you proposed like our initial idea was that the room was be monitored once a week, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're saying okay, the person can check it more regularly,
Yes.
which is a job by itself, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Like okay, you need to go there, like 5 minutes to get there, 5 minutes like to see what is going on there, and then to respond. And then
Yes.
where the answer will be posted, it will be a separate page. It's separate like KNX page, or like where the answer will be posted. And then the person will need to go to some page and remember this page and to find the answer. Are you sure? No.
Mm-hmm.
Actually,
No, it doesn't.
my
It doesn't.
my
It doesn't
idea
sound like easier.
my idea was not to create another page where they get their answers. I think it will be best if this person that is responsible for the room just send
Uh-huh.
them a message direct to them, to the person that asked the question.
How they will send like the message direct, because someone people will just like join anonymously with no name. We don't have any
Yeah,
contact. The idea of the room,
yeah,
that if you don't want to leave your contact, join the room, right?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
no way to send. No.
yeah,
Yeah.
that is the angle that I did not think. That's it. Yeah,
Also,
that's it.
for practice purposes, I think we should have the email correspondence since in the market right now, 90% of customer service representative roles, they entail an aspect of responding to emails. So I think this will be a.
Correct. We're yeah, it will be, but we're talking about kind of the minimum viable product, like just to get started right now,
Mhm,
or in the future, in a year from now. In a year from now, yes, of course.
mhm.
But like in order to get started right now, it should be another solution. Might be another solution.
Okay.
And I just have a question, sir. Uh,
Yeah.
what if these people uh they're given information there in the room that tells them who to contact or ask questions, send their questions to, so they can send their questions direct to this person that is responsible for the room or someone that is a mentor or a coordinator there. The details should be there. The coordinator, the details should be there, and then now those people get the message directly and respond to them directly and privately. I think that's an okay.
I believe I have a better idea, and this is the same idea which I mentioned, $25. Let's kind of, I will have meeting tomorrow or no?
On Thursday,
Or
Thursday,
when?
Thursday,
Kevin, what is next?
Thursday, Thursday.
Thursday.
Yes,
Thursday.
same time.
Thursday.
Yeah.
Yeah, Thursday. So like on Thursday,
Mm-hmm.
I will write on the paper my idea.
Mm-hmm.
And if you say this idea before this,
Mm-hmm.
you will get $25 bonus. If not, if you will give up, I will show my idea, written on the paper,
Okay.
and save $25. Okay?
All right.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what are we doing next from this point?
I
You
would say I
mentioned
will give Rahim
prioritizing.
just like a
Mhm,
project like ours, so he can work on whatever he feels is right.
mhm,
I have no problems with this,
mhm,
and maybe even to process what we need. Like we need, as of now, our goal is to start advertising as soon as possible.
mhm.
What are we missing? What are we missing?
Okay.
What is kind of what we are missing to do this?
I just like you mentioned earlier, I can start working on the video as early as possible, as early as tomorrow, and make sure that I create the
But
video that.
do you mean like a welcome to CNMCyber video or customer service representative video?
I actually can do both. All depends with the time
Okay,
frame that you give me.
but
Yes, but I can start
but
with the
we
customer
but we
support video.
but I got that you like videos, but we need to decide what will be in each.
Yeah. Rahim is good with videos. Yeah. We need to
Okay,
decide what will
but
be
I
in the
again
video.
with the video, like even like CNMCyber, like I see he took the text which is there
Mm-hmm.
and he made a video based on this text. That is why the first, oh, this is the only place where you will be incognito, right?
Correct.
Again, if I'm joining CNMCyber, I probably not joining because I want to be incognito. I joined because of other reasons.
Yeah.
There is some reasons why I'm joining CNMCyber. And incognito mode is important, but it's not like the most important part,
Correct.
not the most important thing. I wouldn't start with this.
Okay.
All right. So on Thursday we'll discuss what we are missing to get started, and the most the minimal viable product that we need to have basically to get started. And also Gary's idea.
Okay.
All right. Unless there's something else.
My idea is related to my idea is related to communication,
Mm-hmm.
kind of, and it may substitute email kind of management as of now.
Mm. Okay.
Okay.
I put like right now cleaning everything related to welcome uh, on CNMCyber appearing that may appear via search on CNMCyber. Yeah, I saved it.
Okay.
Because it's like really confusing. Welcome space, welcome page, welcome text, welcome kind of there. No, it should be like one welcome space, one welcome. Maybe call it welcome space or welcome.
Yeah.
Welcome is good enough.
Okay. All right. I think that's it about today's session. Mm. Unless there's something else, we can adjourn from here.
No,
Yes, Rahim. Mm. Okay. Gary, do you have anything to add?
No, I'm fine.
All right. Let's see you guys on Thursday.
I like that we have this. I like that we have these meetups and kind of hopefully we will. Should we put like some timeline?
Yeah.
Let's
To
say a couple of weeks.
to get to advertising or
I want to.
to have a
Yeah, I want to bring more people. More people. At least like to try to bring more people
yeah.
because more people will be kind of. They will create faster.
Okay.
We did better. Like as I mentioned, let's take our third dry run.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say ladies were not like too participative,
Yeah.
but without ladies, the boys will not be as active, I guess.
Yeah.
So even like having kind of those, the more
Mm-hmm.
people, at least like it was kind of at least like some movement.
Yeah.
So the faster we will bring someone who is want to be customer service representative,
Mm-hmm.
the better we are. And we can give people the same kind of this development money right now,
Yeah.
saying your operation is not available, but if you, at least if you give a good idea,
Mm-hmm.
$25. If
Correct.
you kind of want to work on something, say what you want to work on,
Mm-hmm.
and we can give you 10 hours,
Yeah.
right? The
Yeah.
same what we gave kind of, were given to these like dry run guys,
Mm-hmm.
the same there, and see what happens. I'm really interested in started advertising,
Okay. All right. So
bringing more people.
okay. Parting shot. Like we have an assignment to figure out what we are missing to get
We
started.
do you know what?
Yeah.
Yeah, we also it's a kind of another idea.
Mm-hmm.
We have right now like two parts. One part is like operations.
Yes.
Another part is like
Products.
DevOps, right?
Yeah.
Development operations.
Mm-hmm.
Like because technically what we do right now it's like more development operation, not like just operation, right?
Correct.
Uh, So it's operation to develop something, DevOps.
Yes.
So we may just take and concentrate on this development part
Mm-hmm.
as of now,
Mm-hmm.
and to bring person like to the development part faster,
Mm-hmm.
and with this like one or two people.
Yeah.
When and with the one two people, we will develop this customer side
Correct.
because we have like two different parts:
Mm-hmm.
development part and
And
customer
operation.
side.
Yeah.
Part for customer side.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like we may build this DevOps first,
Mm-hmm.
and then we will get kind of to operations first. Maybe this can be possible.
Correct. Correct. Yeah, I believe if we invite people and someone can share like a good idea, he'll be instrumental in
Correct.
assisting in the developments as well.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Correct. Yeah, in this hour meeting, someone should give good idea too.
Correct. So okay, let's think about this tomorrow, and we meet on Thursday. Figure out how what minimal viable product that we need. If it's a video to advertise for people to join the developments or test what we've created so far. Yes, that's about it. So um, unless there's anything else, we'll see you on Thursday.
Thank you.
All right.
What is I have I read on this page CNMCyber customer support kitchen, and then designed to support and empower CHO. What is CHOs? Customer?
Mm.
Common
No.
hour,
What is
common hour
CHOs?
organizers. Those common hour organizers.
No, not only common hour organized. No, no, no. Empower customer support representative.
Yeah.
Let's change it.
All right. Okay. Thank you all.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.